Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 20th of January 2021. Taking a look here at AVAX. So AVAX is at a pretty clear uptrend move here on the 3-week chart, and it's just had enough price history to show a Kijun-sen on the baseline on the 3-week chart. So that's where it's currently sitting, right above. The current close is at 75.58. And the Kijun baseline is at 76, so it's slightly below that, but really mostly just kind of right on top of it. Not a lot to look at here, other than it does look like a very standard-looking rising wedge. Go from the bodies of these candles. It looks very much like you've got this setup going on here, so we'll see how that plays out. But zipping on over to the daily chart or the weekly chart. Weekly chart is in bull market conditions yet. So 50 and 40 are the oversold conditions in the RSI when something's in a bull market. However, it has moved now down below the baseline. That is a kind of a bearish event, which could trigger some strong selling pressure that may last up until the Kumo twist that occurs in February. So we could see that dip down all the way until over the next 3 weeks or so. There's not a ton of, there is some slight hidden bullish divergence here between the candlesticks and the composite index, but nothing overly crazy here. It is the composite index is at an all-time low though. When you look at the price history of AVAX, it is at an all-time low, so that's something to take note of. And it kind of points to some evidence that there might be a low developing and a bounce, and there are some good gaps developing between the bodies of the candlesticks and the Tenkan-sen. Another reason to anticipate some upwards momentum soon. Finally, when we look at the daily chart, this pennant pattern here that it fell through, dove right down below, and the volume profiles gets a little thicker now as it hits the $74 zone and even lower into the 70 zone. Again, there's a reason to be optimistic that there's a bounce coming in. It's hitting the 100%, close to the 100% fib expansion. So yeah, there's a lot of signs here showing that this is all a fake out and that these are all false moves. The volume's not that great. It's pouring into these strong previous price support zones. So yeah, AVAX likely to bounce here and give a retest of the $100 zone very soon. We'll see what happens, though. Otherwise, downside risks should be limited to the $60 zone. So I see downside to the $60 zone, but then upside capped at 100. That's what I see. From all the Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.